Hello dear friends, hope you're doing well. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here with a new strategy, and as you know about the previous strategy which I brought it to you guys, and it was a very simple strategy, so you don't have to wait for the price action or to do some analysis with the trend line and all these things. But today's strategy is a very different and a simplest strategy, which you can find in on the tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is a charting solution, free charting solution, and where you can analyze your chart, your pair, your currencies, whatever you want to trade. You can go on the TradingView. You just need to enter your email and just register with them for the free charting solution, and they're gonna provide you the three free indicators you can place on your chart. Okay, so today the strategy is on from the tradingview.com indicators. Normally when you bring these indicators on your mobile for MT4 and MT5, you need to do the setup for all the indicators on your window chart data too, and then it will place on the MT4 and MT5. So let me make it easy for you. If you don't have the uh, in your mobile phone, you don't have the app to go on this tradingview.com, and you want to use for like easy accessible use in your MT4 and MT5, you will bring these indicators set up on your uh, MT4 platform, okay, and then it's going to work for you. But today here I'll tell you about this indicators which is from the tradingview.com. So let's get to the strategy. Okay, as you can see, it's already here in my chart, but I'll tell you how to bring these things. You can see the yellow line moving averages and the red and green one, and there's a similar thing like a Bollinger Bands you can see down here. Okay, so I'll tell you how to bring this one and place it on your chart, and what things gonna filter the false signal from these indicators. Like most people, they use the indicators uh, to just cross over the strategy in this TDI, and then they wait for the market's gonna give them a good income profit. But no, that goes the wrong way, the wrong direction sometimes, and they don't know how to use it. So today in video we gonna explain how you filter out the false signal of these indicators and take the trades to the right direction. Okay, so let's get to the indicators, how we'll set up this one on your chart. You go to the indicator search bar. Here you can write the TDI, but there's a lot of TDI. If you see down below, you find a lot of TDI, okay, which you can bring on your chart. But the usage one which we bring it on our chart is this one, the TDI for XLG TDI. You can see here. Okay, keep in mind the TDI for XLG TDI. Okay, 419 is the number. Okay, you can bring this one on your chart, and it's gonna be just right here, as you can see. Okay, then another thing, I'll explain about this strategy. Whenever the red moving average and the green one, they cross each other, and it's go up to this overbought and oversold region area. Okay, and then it cross each other. So what the people normally they do, what they explain the other people to people, like how you're gonna take trades, just cross over the red green and you just go on buy, which doesn't work properly. Okay, and I'll explain how does it work. And let me bring the chart into the full screen. I'm sorry, I forgot it. Okay, here we are on the full screen now. Okay, so that's how you gonna use it. Okay, for the filtering out these false signal, you'll go again to the indicators. Okay, the indicator, when you go to the indicator, you find the Ichimoku cloud, which is right here. I'll show you. the Ichimoku cloud. You type on the search bar here the Ichimoku cloud, and it will be, it's already in my favorites. As you know, I keep these indicators in the favorites because it's a really powerful tools that filter the false signal noise in your indicators on your chart in your price action. Okay, so keep these things and in your favorites, and easily you can place it on your chart. So I'll just click there and bring it on my chart. As you can see, oh, there you can see it's on my chart now with the full setup. But now what you do is you will bring something, um where is gone, it's here, okay, sorry, yeah. So you will remove some things, like you can see this is the full Ichimoku cloud indicators with the backspan, the clouds, okay, and the moving averages. But you have to remove the rest of things, and you just let keep only one Chico span, which is called the backspan, the green line here, and it's gonna help us to take the trade and the filter the false signals. Okay, so let's get to the setting for the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, Ichimoku cloud setting, and click on this one and you bring it down the color to the none. Okay, see, this is the lagging span, Chico span, and backspan they call it. Okay, we're gonna leave this one on our chart, and the rest of things we're gonna remove. Okay, so that's how you do it. And yeah, even the cloud, we're gonna remove the cloud for this strategy especially. Okay, and boom. Okay, now here you can see the price only on the chart, the candlesticks, and you see the Chico span, whatever you call backspan, the lagging span is down here. Keep in mind the lagging span, the Chico span, backspan is about previous, I mean the same action of the price it's going to show you, but it's going to be moving back from their price, the candlesticks. It's it doesn't mean like your price is here. Okay, take a look here. Okay, it's the price is here. It doesn't mean the current of the lagging span, the Chico span, the current moving is from this point. No, it's not from his point. Okay, it is from right here, the last candle, and it shows in the back. Okay, so that's why they call the back span, and yeah, the lagging span as well, lagging span moving with the price. So if I tell you about something to take the trades, and it's going to be very okay, this is the only the easiest ways to understand this one. If I tell you the Chico span is here and the price is here, you're going to take the trade to sell. That's going to be the wrong explanation. Okay, the price is here but the Chico span is not here. The Chico span is back over here. Okay, keep in mind. So the price is here, the Chico span is right here at this point. So you have to keep these things in mind, and that's how you filter your false signals. Okay, take a look here. Now we are on the main chart. Okay, let's go back to the, yeah, the full screen, and there it is. Okay, the strategy works like whenever you see uh, whenever you see this one in this indicator place, indicator data, you can see whenever it goes to like a similar Bollinger Band, go up to the top level and it touches and cross it, the red cross the green one, the green cross the red one, sorry, and then they both cross the yellow one. So it comes in the uh, selling territory, and then you can sell your short your position. Okay, short your trades. Okay, then when it's crossed back up here, and then you can go for the long, for the buy. But some places are they gonna make you confused. Okay, some places it's gonna tell you like this is the selling area, like here you can see up on the chart. In this area it's a selling, so you're gonna sell your position here. Okay, and it comes to the sell territory, and then you gonna sell short your position, your trade, and it will go in loss again, go back up. You can see here the price went up back, and then came back, pull back, and then you start moving to the right direction. So That's how it is. It's TDI is a very powerful strategy, very powerful tools, indicators which work for like especially it work for not just a short scalping. It gonna work for the long trade as well, long position if you're taking for the long terms. Okay, but you have to take in the right place. Okay, now here I'll explain my strategy with the Chico span. So how does it work? Okay, let me guys tell you. uh Hope you can see the price very clearly. Yeah, and yeah, right here. Okay, so in this area I'm going to explain, and then further we can scroll the chart to the back and further left and right, and we can see the where it's going to give us the false signals. Okay, from this point if you see, and it has a very power to show you the diversion as well. If you see the markets drop down to this point, yeah, look at to the TDI, it's went already to the oversold, and you can see the lower band of this TDI indicator. Yeah, so most people they do what, and it's crossed back. Most people they will take the trade from here, from this point, and it went on sideways, it started going on sideways, and it's dropped, and you lose, hit your stop loss. Okay, and then you are hoping to it will go up again, but it went a little bit up, make you a little happy, and it's dropped back. Okay, and then look at to here, the TDI is going upwards. So people get confused why it's going upwards, and the TDI is showing the buy signal, but the market it's still going down and give us a losses. Okay, so how you filter out this one, that is very important. So the market dropped down here. Let me show you about how is the reversal in the TDI, how you're gonna spot the diversion, reversal, diversion, which is called the regular diversion, bullish regular diversion. Yeah, so here the market dropped and it came up, it came down here to the oversold, and you have to wait for what, you have to wait for the backspan to come in the price right here. You can see the backspan, which is called Chico span. It should come into the price like right this point, and you're gonna take your trades to the buy position, the long, you're gonna take your position for the long. Okay, here you have to wait. It is um, under the price, under the candlesticks right here, so you cannot take this trade from this one, from this area for the long. And here it shows you should go for long, but no, you have to wait for the confirmation. The Chico span, the backspan should come over on the price, and then if it shows this area like the buy position, then you can take your trade. But now you cannot take it. It's a false signals. But it's not just a false signal, but it's gonna give you idea about the diversion. So you have to understand there is a diversion in this market. Okay, start showing you the reversal diversion. Okay, so now when it's going up, the red one's going up, and you're gonna take the trade here. No, why is that? Why is that? You cannot take this trade because still the span is back here. Okay, so as I told you, it's gonna be this area showing you. Okay, so you cannot take the trade, and it's went up to the upper band here. Okay, and it's came back down here. Okay, so from this point, if you see the price is here and the backspan is in this area, okay, still you cannot go for long, still you cannot take the trade. Okay, because it's under the price. So you have to wait, let the backspan come over on the price, then we're gonna take the trade. So in this area, if you see right here, okay, right here, our what, our Chico span is out of the sorry, above the price candles. You can see the candles, it's above the candles in this area. So this is the one confirmation we have got met right here. Okay, so it is above. Okay, so when it's come above the candle price, and then you're gonna get ready to take a trade. So this area, okay, keep in mind in this area. Okay, so what is gonna show the TDI here, just wait. Okay, here in this area the TDI show is right this crossover. So now the confirmation number one is Chico span, the back span is above the candle price, and the TDI is already in a 50 line right here, the 50 line, over the 50 line, and it shows our green crossing over on the red one right this point, and it's already crossed the slow moving average, the yellow one, slow moving average from this point, if you see, if you remember, in this point. So this is the trade which you can take for the buy, go for long. Okay, why is that? From this point to this point, the price all the way came down, the price is going down, but here the TDI is showing, the indicator is showing the price, the price very soon gonna go for long upwards. Okay, so there is the ascending and descending. Okay, ascending price down here, descending price, it's right here it shows to go up. So this is the diversion. Number first thing, you had already spot the diversion in this one, so the price give you the confirmation, go for long from the Chico span right here, and the lagging span, sorry, the TDI indicator, it shows. Now you have to get ready and take your position whenever the green one cross the red one to up. Right in this point, you can see the green one cross to the upside. So when you take this trade, so the price start moving up. Take a look, take a look, this price start moving up. Okay, it start moving up, then it came back again here. So you can take a you can take a position, like you can take exit from here, or you can wait for what is the price gonna show you for the next few more candles. If you see down here, it is crossing downwards. So when it's crossing downwards, that's mean there is the pullback, the pullback of the market, and it's went very shark fin. You can see the shark fin here, it's go deep than the lower band of the TDI, and it start going up, rising up back. Okay, and there you can see it is a little bit sideways, but the market start shooting up. Okay, so take a look here, another example. If we are going short from this point, okay, it's already showing the backspan is up. We cannot take this position because we have to wait for the backspan should cross the candles down, and then we're gonna look for the TDI crossing. Okay, so it's crossed down over here in this point, and there is no chance to hit your stop loss. That is the very powerful thing in this strategy. Okay, it crossed here and the price is here. Look at to the TDI, we are under the yellow slow moving average. Okay, whenever you see it's under the slow moving average and the backspan cross under the candles, you have to get ready for to take the short position. And then you can see here the crossover downwards. When you take the crossover downwards, it's gonna give you a very good pips. Okay, good enough pips, and then you have to wait for another trade to buy. Okay, so what we're gonna do, wait to cross the green and red on the yellow. It's already crossed here. Okay, then what we have to wait for the Chico span to go above. So here we see the Chico span is, where is that, in this area. Okay, in this area. Okay, it's cross over here. Okay, and then the Chico span came in, if I'm not mistaken, it's just over here in this area. Okay, and we're gonna take our trade for the long. So when you take the trade for the long, so the market start rising up from this point here, and then little pullback, and it's all the way going up, because you see the TDI slow moving average is over on the yellow slow, the both green and red moving average is over on the yellow slow moving average, and you can see the markets, it's giving you a very good pips. Okay, so this is all about the strategy. Make sure before you going on the live trade, okay, before you going with your real account, try to work on this one a couple of times with the demo account, then you go for the live, and hope you will have, not hope, I'm sure you will have a very good pips. You can earn good pips in this market. And keep in mind, make sure, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and share with your friends. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Thank you very much.